Modding Unreal Tournament and ran into a UCS file in the character data folder. This is a character set definition file from one of gaming's classic shooter franchises. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these character files. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality UCS file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. A file used by the Unreal Engine, particularly in older games like Unreal Tournament, to store character skins, models, and related data. Users encounter these files when creating or installing custom characters or mods, seeking to personalize their gameplay experience with new visual assets and attributes. The UCS file is a binary container, part of the Unreal Package System, UPK. It aggregates various assets like textures, UTX, animations, UAX, and models into a single efficient package. This design streamlines loading times and simplifies asset management for the game engine, which is crucial for fast-paced gameplay. Unreal Tournament, developed by Epic Games, is often used as the source validator for UCS. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows shows minimal information, so proper editing relies on engine-aware tools. Open the context menu by right-clicking your UCS file and choosing Open With. Try Unreal Tournament first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If you cannot access the UCS file, no problem. A format as specific as UCS will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, opening in text editor. Open the UCS file in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to view character definitions in human-readable format. Review the property declarations to understand which mesh skin and voice assets are referenced for the character configuration. Next, editing in Unreal. Use Unreal the editor included with Unreal Tournament to import and modify UCS character sets. The editor provides a visual interface for assigning character meshes textures and voice packs while validating asset references for proper game integration. Finally, installing custom characters. Copy the UCS file to the Unreal Tournament system or characters directory, along with associated mesh skin and audio package files. Launch the game, and the custom character appears in the multiplayer character selection screen, ready for gameplay use. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.